Okay, wir sind wieder bei GTA. Und zwar waren wir, ich habe in die letzte Folge eingeschaut, waren wir bei der Strandparty. So, wer hat denn Aufträge für uns? Keiner. Gut. Dann wollen wir uns erstmal wieder, wie üblich, die Knarre holen. Und dann wollen wir mal...
Hey, what up?
What up? Ein Auto brauchen wir. Ja. Nimmt er das?
If only the world
Gut.
was less like this.
Eigentlich wollte ich das andere, aber egal. Nehmen wir heute
And
den
more like this.
Van.
You murderer! I might have children one day!
Smoking kills, unless
Aber es läuft auf verkehrte Sound.
you kill first. If you're around a smoker, you will die.
Okay.
Smokers may look relaxed and like they're having fun.
Dann wollen wir doch mal
Don't
schauen,
believe it.
wer
Vote
für
yes
uns
on
Arbeit hat.
Proposition 421. Let's outlaw smoking everywhere, even in people's homes, and allow honest citizens to legally kill anyone who smokes. Let's live in a world without smokers. Prohibition works. Let's prove it. Let's
Und
move
zwar
up
Big
the
Smoke
chain.
oder was?
It's time to smoke the smokers. Vote yes on Proposition 421.
Hoppala. So. Dann schauen wir doch mal eine. Just Business.
Hey, CJ! Baby, what's up, man?
What's happening, Smoke?
Chillin'? Wanna go for a ride?
Yeah.
You drive.
Alright.
We going downtown.
So, nach Downtown fahren wir.
This better not be another cop errand, man.
No, man, this is strictly for the home. I gotta be honest with you, CJ. We could be getting into some heavy shit, baby.
What you into, Smoke?
Lot of shit about to go down, Carl. Families coming back, ballers pushing base, Russian cats with nothing to lose about to bust some ass.
Russians?
Now, all my life, I've been told to fear the Russians. But I ain't never even met one. Then the wall comes down and we all supposed to be friends. 5 minutes later, my cousin gets laid out by some Rusky fresh off the boat.
For real?
For real.
Okay. Wo fahren wir denn eigentlich hin? Das ist ja die komplett verkehrte Richtung. Jetzt waren wir da so auf die Dialoge konzentriert, dass wir doch tatsächlich vorbeigefahren sind. So, wir müssen da oben irgendwo. So, da sind wir richtig. Jetzt schauen wir mal, was uns da so erwartet.
Look, Carl, before I walk in there, I just need to know you down with this shit, man.
Look, Smoke, we go way back. We grows, man.
That's what I'm talking about. That's my dog. Hey, look, if you hear shit start to pop off, come in there blasting, all right?
I'm down, dog. Hey, baby, want company?
Motherfuckers! CJ, get in here! Oh, there you are! Yo,
So.
some covered in glass like fools in this motherfucker! Ice those fools, CJ! Big Smoke, you don't make big mistakes!
Es wird
Watch yourself,
geballert.
CJ, I think they pissed! CJ, take the right and cover my ass! Keep it up, baby! That's my dog, making y'all pay!
So, den noch.
Stick with me, CJ, we out of here, baby!
Jetzt, Moment einmal. Wo rennt denn hin? Oh, da ist der Westen. Ganz gut. Vielleicht die Monitor.
Stick real close, Carl. Keep your head down. The ass thick as shit in here.
Look, you and your friend are dead men.
Motherfucker, back me up. That's my homie, CJ.
Jetzt what? Hat Lummi
you
verrückt.
ice cold, baby.
Gut.
Time to return the favor, baby. Get on.
Ach so, sind wir noch nicht vorbei?
They after us on the bike, Smoke.
Waste any motherfucker that follows us.
Shit, man, they coming for us in the truck.
Don't tell me about it. Take it off the road. Pop it. Damn, look at all this traffic. Get out of the way. I'm coming through.
We got bikes on our six. Smash it, Smoke.
Hold on tight, baby.
Ah, Smoke, no!
So, gut.
Oh, they hit a bus.
Sonst noch wer?
I'll never diss public transportation again. Damn, roadblock.
Oh, Smoke, these cats is organized. It's something you ain't telling me, man.
Look, Carl, all I know is they real pissed with us right now. Hold on, though, I got an idea.
Smoke, what you thinking? Flood control is a dead end, man.
The hell with that. We had to lose those cars. Don't worry about that. I know a way out up past Grove Street.
The old sewer tunnel. Oh, man.
Watch our backs.
Smoke is more bikes.
Noch mehr Bikes. Wo denn? Von da hinten? Okay, jetzt kommt nur der LKW.
Oh, shit. Now the truck found us again.
Man, stop being so negative. Focus on the good news.
Such as?
We ain't dead, and your trigger finger still works, fool. I think the gearbox is screwed up on this thing. I can't get no speed.
Yeah, who negative now, bitch?
Point taken. I'll keep my mouth shut from now on. Watch our backs. Oh, shit!
Was? Achso.
Oh, man, the car's found the ramp.
Don't tell me about it. Shoot! Hold on!
Get us up that ramp, Smoke.
I'm on it, baby!
We still got bikes on us, man.
Man, quit bitching and shoot as many of them assholes as you can. Fools, total dead truck.
Go around them, man.
Screw that. We taking the scenic route. Fry,
Bam, und wir sind drüber.
That's the old sewer up ahead. Shoot out the gate. Nice one, CJ. Here we go.
Man, I used to hate this tunnel when we was kids.
Hey, we can reminisce later. We still got company.
Don't these guys ever give up?
Oh, das war nicht gut.
We lost them, Smoke. Man, we better split up.
I'll take it another block and dump it. Man, that was some crazy shit back there.
Yeah, for sure. Listen, we can't hang around here. I'll see you later, homie.
Much love, baby.
Ja, die Mission haben wir. Allerdings wieder nur Respekt kriegt. So, dann wollen wir mal woanders davon. Vielleicht wollen wir mal zu OG schauen. Wo wir so viel denn durchkannten. So, weiter geht's. Okay, da haben wir die Groove Street. Oder wir schauen, wie heißt der Cäsar, glaube ich. Vielleicht hat er irgendwas. Halt.
Real cool, homie.
So, und zwar... Da ist er. Ach so. Bei dem gibt es bloß Lowriderinnen. In dieser Zeit fahren wir ja keinen Lowrider. Deswegen werden wir mal zum Jeffrey schauen.